Assalamu alaikum. Before I begin, let me introduce myself briefly. I am Kausar Pradhan. I study in mathematics of Kumilla University. At first, I want to thank my honorable course teacher, Dr. Mahmudul Hassan, for giving us the opportunity. Today, I am going to about hardware and software. Computer have two main comparison, hardware and software. Hardware, the physical part of a computer. Software, the programs and instructions that tell hardware what to do. Both work together to make a computer fundamentals. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the tangled part of a computer. Examples included input device, keyboard, mouse, processing unit, CPU, motherboard, storage device, HDD, SSD, output device, monitor, printer. Type of hardware, input device, keyboard, mouse, scanner, processing unit, CPU, RAM, GPU, storage device, SSD, USB drive, output device, monitor, printer, speakers. What is software? Software refers to program and instruction that run on hardware. All allows user to perform tasks and interact with the computer. Without software, hardware cannot function effectively. Type of software, system software, operating system, application software, Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, programming software, compiler, IDEs, etc. System software in details, control and manage hardware. Examples, operating system, Windows, Linux, utility program, antivirus, disk cleanup. Application software in details, designed for specific tasks. Category included productivity software, MS Office, Google DOS, multimedia software, Adobe Photoshop, VLC Media, etc. Web browser, Chrome, Firefox. Conclusions. Hardware and software are independent. A computer needs both of function properly. Understanding them help in troubleshooting and optimizing performance. Anyway, I don't like to prolong my session. That's all for the moment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.